Hello everyone, Carmine from New York here, coming to you live from Madison Square Garden, New York City, USA. Tonight is the first night of a 30-night tour. This is the Harry Styles Together show. It's the first night. Now, this photographer took out the Nikon D200 with the Nikon 50mm f1.4 lens. I photographed most of the guests coming into Madison Square Garden with their wonderful, beautiful outfits. Now, if you were lucky enough to be here tonight on night one, stay tuned because you might see yourself. I photographed thousands of beautiful people coming to the Harry Styles tour called Together here at Madison Square Garden.
What can you say when love goes away that hasn't been said before? I have no rhyme that's different this time. There's no words to sing anymore. I haven't a clue why you went away. I only know you are gone, and I sit alone, my heart by the phone, and so I just listen to rain as it falls to the ground and washes the day away. Nothing to show and no place to go, so here in my room I stay. I don't know that I could forget you, no matter how hard I try. I'm all alone, and honestly I don't know why.
enjoy the photographs, thumbs up, comment below, and become a member of this channel. It's only $1.
What can you say when love goes away that hasn't been said before? I have no rhyme that's different this time. There's no words to sing anymore. I haven't a clue why you went away. I only know you are gone. And I sit alone, my heart by the phone, and so I just listen to rain as it falls to the ground and washes the day away.